Pandiculation is when you tighten and actively release the tissues of the body. You may be familiar with cats and dogs when they stretch. They hit positions that are long. In those positions, they're not just stretching, but they're actually engaging the muscle in the body. When I teach pandiculation, I may cue fists, I may cue fingers, I may cue just static contraction. I may even use a Pilates ball to squeeze into. The longer you press into something that's rubberish or it offers resistance, the more it pushes back. So I like to cue a 20 to 30% pressure to prevent any injury, and then a 2 to 4 second hold before we release. This should induce the relaxation response and is essential for the success of many of these movements.